Had a request from someone on Vintage Mustang forums that they were doing some wiring under the dash and couldn't figure out exactly how it went. So I'm putting together this little video tour of the wiring under the dash. I'm actually just starting to pull out the wiring harness, so it's a good time to show it. So just bring you in so you can kind of get your bearings. So we are looking inside the dash cavity. This is the connector from the headlight switch. I've got a little piggyback T in there, so don't worry about that. And you can see here where some of my wires got fried when I had a small fire a long time ago. But there's a main hoop that goes right there and goes up under a clip right there. The steel piece that comes down, it's part of the dashboard, the support that comes down. There's a little clip right up in there, and then that goes down to the fuse box, which is right there. So that's the main harness coming up from the fuse box. So it goes over, so sorry about that. Fuse box goes over, main harness goes up into the clip, and then over, and then up to another clip. That clip is on the other support that comes down, part of the dashboard, right next to the defroster duct. This is all the, this loom here is all the lights. These two looms here are all the lights. Just come right out of there, out of that main trunk, and come right into the dash. So over here, fuse box, the main pigtail that comes out of the fuse box comes up through two clips, and right close to those two supports are where the pigtails come out for the dash lights. Then it routes over underneath the defroster duct. And now I'm going to go underneath the dash. And that heads over underneath. Ugh. Sorry, just gonna get my bearing. Goes right there, and then it goes right to the firewall. We got some wires that come over. Small pigtail that comes over and hooks up to the resistor for the defroster motor. Anywho, hope that helps. There's also another set of wires that comes from the fuse box and goes up. I'm not sure exactly where it goes. And it goes up to the firewall too. Alright. Hope this helps you out. Let me know if you need anything else.